It's finally time to make good on my promise where I told you that I was going to show you what I make with my dehydrated vegetables. If you saw one of my earlier videos when I was dehydrating these, I said that I would show you what I was going to do with them. So today's the day. So the vegetables that I did end up dehydrating, I have some celery, some zucchini, some carrots, some peas, I have tomatoes, tomato skins, and some potatoes. So I'm going to throw this together and I'm going to make a delicious vegetable soup. Now to this, I will be adding some canned chicken that I have. It's not dehydrated, but some canned chicken. And if you have a freeze dryer, lucky you, you could throw in some freeze-dried chicken. And I'm also going to be adding my chicken broth. So these simple ingredients, these dehydrated ingredients, and I'm going to have myself a delicious soup in very little time. So let's get started. To the Dutch oven, I am going to start by adding my chicken broth, and I am going to heat this up to a boil to rehydrate my vegetables. Now that my broth is nice and hot, I'm going to add the dehydrated vegetables to rehydrate them. So I'm going to start by adding a couple of tablespoons of each vegetable. Celery smells great. I'm going to break up the potatoes. I'm going to add some dehydrated tomato skins, but I'm going to kind of break them up a little bit. Give this a stir, and we're going to let it sit now for 15 to 20 minutes just to let the vegetables rehydrate. Once you've rehydrated your vegetables, all that's left to do is to bring this to a simmer, and in a few minutes add your chicken. Now I know what you're thinking, it seems like a pretty plain soup. Feel free to saute some onions and some garlic if you feel like you would like to add those to your soup. I already have those delicious flavors in my broth. It's my homemade broth and it has so much flavor already that I don't feel like I need to add anything else, but you feel free to add more to your soup. Customize it as you like. So now we're going to bring this to a simmer. And just like that, you've created a nice, delicious, hearty vegetable soup made from your dehydrated vegetables. You can customize it any way you'd like. More liquid, less liquid, meat, no meat. The sky's the limit. I hope you've enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. Don't be shy, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check back again soon to see what other content I will have coming out.